Cool. I am Venkatesh from Bannari Ministry of Technology, and for the DSIC challenge, I had built Eigensparse, a consent management platform to grant, track, and revoke consents. So let me explain how it works. The fiduciary, in the sense, the company has to provide a request, and upon accepting the request will be reaching to the consent users. They can grant or revoke the request, and the receipt will be generated on the user side, and they can be used for real-time verification using API calls and webhooks. So currently I support seven core functions: one to grant, one to revoke, one to verify, export data, a webhook notification, account deletion. So it follows DPDP and GDPR guidelines as well. Let's see a demo then. So one can log in using sign in. It will take a bit of time, so I logged in. I'm logging in as a user, a data principal. It is the company's login. Let me create a purpose. So I can select which one of them that I want. Let me create a purpose. You can say sample purpose has been created with the retention date and UID. It has been stored to the Postgres DB that I have been hosted. You can see all the current concerns, the expiring ones, and the total concerns as well. The number of users that have been using the concern. And I created webhooks. Let's say if someone wants to revoke a consent or someone wants to accept a consent, the team can create a webhook and integrate with their website. Let's go with the flow right now. You can see in the, let me sign out on now. So you can see a new purpose has been created. The sample purpose for DSIC demo, and it is asking for consent for 20 days. So you can see the fiduciary as well. You can grant consent. It will be updated right here at the top, and you can see your consents as well, and you will be getting a receipt as well. So you can see the consent receipt right here, and it mentions audit purposes, and it is generated using HMAC cryptographic signature. So the user can also able to revoke their consent as well. So that's how it works, and the available purpose can be shown since they have been revoked. The user also has the audit log function so that they can audit. As you can see, the consent has been created by them and the granted, and they have been revoking. So everything will be audited. They can also edit the audit data into different formats. You can see the JSON has been done. So the same goes for CSV as well. They can edit their password and profile information right here. So that's the user side. Let me go into the fiduciary side. You can see that that they had access and created sample purposes, and someone accessed it. Let me sign out and login. So everything works in real time. It has been connected to a Postgres server. You can see active purposes, unique users has been mentioned, and eigenpurpose at gmail.com with the sample purpose ID, revoke their consent. So everything will be noted in the repo. You can see that right now I have been revoked it. The consent has been revoked. And webhooks can be integrated with the integration sample. And as for the API key, if one wants to integrate whether consent has been given by the user or the number of purposes they are created, they can integrate using the integration example. They also have call request to test it as well. They can generate and regenerate API keys as of now. So that's for the usage part. Let me explain the documentation as well. We also have API documentation for integration. If anyone wants to integrate our API, they can use their base URL and integrate with the docs. And we also have an SDK in NPM. And you can see I had just pushed it yesterday and I got around 160 downloads. So people have been using it and it, it's been helpful for them. And I also have a doc section for documentation. So I guess that's it from my side on Eigensparse. It is a fully deployed and developed solution for concern management. So you can check it out, try it out at eigensparse.com. It works fine. And I guess the DSA challenge will help Eigensparse move forward. Thank you.